Good afternoon, miners. It's not morning by the time you're seeing this, most likely. I'm running behind this morning. Well, afternoon. It's still kind of morning. But good morning, wherever you may be. What is up? I hope you all are doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. And guys, we're going to get an update today of, the morning miners update, though it is afternoon. So your afternoon miners update is now. Now, the first thing that I would actually just kind of like to start the gist off with, we're going to talk a little bit about where I'm personally mining right now, if I'm mining anything, as well as a new BTC ASIC has touched the market up for pre-order right now, but there are other newer ASICs coming out, so it's pretty interesting to see some newer development, as well as we got a freaking package. So guys, boom. See if we can, as long as it sees my face. So we got the Octominer MeterBox set sent over to us from TheMeterBox. Shout out to them, guys. And there is a giveaway going on right now as we speak. All right, so you can head on over to the link that I have down in the description below. See if I can't switch this over. Right, bam. But there is a GLEAM.io link down there, and you can actually, if you purchase one of these box sets right here, which you can find right here, I'll have a link to it down below as well, and you can purchase one. There is a special NFT inside of the box, plus 1,000 entries into this giveaway. Plus you get an extra 1,000 entries just for buying one of the boxes. So plus you can check out Crypto, subscribe to their to other content creators, which I am on that list. So if you do go over there, I am on the list. So are a few other of the FA creators that are in the mining space. Give them a check out, give them a follow. They would greatly appreciate it, and I'd appreciate it. You can check out Octominer, join Octominer's Discord server, and also follow them on Twitter. Get you a bunch of extra entries, and there are 34 days left in this, and you will be eligible to win a OctoServer E10, which is the proof of work server that you can see right there, as well as there is an X8 Ultra Plus up for grabs, 2 pre-built MeterBox sets, and 2 Crypto merchandise packs with a $40 value. So please give it a look into that, and if you do get some cool stuff. There is a referral link for the MeterBox down below. I would greatly appreciate you use it if you buy one of these Octominer box sets. It does help out the channel. Would love to see one of my subscribers win, right? Be pretty cool. Good luck, and yeah, if I end up winning some stuff, I'm gonna give it away to some of y'all. FA to that. Now, further into this, guys, there I am using Unminable currently for all of my mining needs as we currently speaks. So with the all of the higher electricity prices for some people, I unfortunately have EV rates, so my electricity usage goes down to like 3 cents in the middle of the night, and then it's back up to around 5 cents. After fees and averaging everything out, I'm about around 7.5 cents to 8 cents. Kind of depending upon the fees and everything. So I do leverage that quite often. Some of my lesser profitable stuff I usually only turn on at nighttime when I'm at 3 cents, and I don't let it run during the day, so that way I can accumulate coins at a cheaper price. And it's kind of what I've been doing for a little bit since the farm shut down, because all of my rigs are here now, and I'm using Unminable for all of that. So it is a awesome source especially for me, because I can point all of my rigs into one place and get paid out in specific coins. These are all of their payout coins right here down in below, and there are quite a bit. You know, you can still even accumulate Ethereum this way. I'm currently talking with one of my friends who is trying to gather up some more NFTs of a collection, and I was like, man, just get a Bitcoin ASIC and, you know, support the network. So he would be mining, you know, mining the Bizity bit, supporting the Bitcoin network, but he would be getting paid out in Ethereum, which is great for him, still great for the Bitcoin network, and great for, I guess, Ethereum's network for transactions. So it's pretty cool. I love Unminable, and I use it literally on the regular. So check it out. Down in the description below, there's a link for it. Give it a look and check it out, because it is extremely helpful for me. Also, guys, it looks like according to all of the data here for ASICs on hashrate.no, this is the lineup. The KS3 top in the list, but it's not even out yet. The KS0 is coming in close second, which is making almost $40 a day right now, which is just absolutely insane. Like, it's really hard. I'm not like the biggest fan of this machine, but that makes it really hard not to want to buy one, right? Especially with Ice River's price drop. You can get them from Ice River. You can even get them from Nhash. Nhash is actually trying to get me to get one of these to do some content over. I'm on the fence about it. I'm not sure that I want to, but $40 a day in the current market is pretty FA. And only, you know, spending like 65 watts, which is absolutely nothing. Old Chump Change is even running his on solar, so pretty cool stuff. On the fence, I don't know. I really would like to actually own a more efficient Bitcoin ASIC. So that's kind of where I'm currently leaning to myself over some altcoin ASIC right now. You know, the Avalons are coming out, the newer version Avalons. They're doing pretty well. They do expend quite a bit of wattage. Avalons are always known to be not as efficient, but they do have some good hash rate nonetheless. And then running up into the S19 Pros, S19J Pros, even the S19 is making about $6 a day, 72 cents after electric, but at 8 cents. But there is a newer contender, it looks like. You got the Bitmain Octominer S19K Pro, 136 terahash, popping out with 3200 watts and 136 terahashes. It's pretty it's not too bad. It is not too bad. Now we can head over to the coin charts and give it a look. Go into the calculator for 136 at 3264. Calculate that out. You're making about $10 a day currently, and in profit you're netting about $3.45, which is pretty. It's really not that bad. In this scheme of things, I would really love to see this down into low power mode, because I bet you would probably sit around 100 terahashes for what I would hope to be, or I would hope to be a little more than 100 terahashes, maybe like 110 terahashes for what I would hope to be around 1800 watts. Would put you, it actually nets you $1 more a day. You lose $1 a day in revenue, but you do gain $1 a day in profit because less wattage and it's more efficient. So if that would be achievable, this is a pretty good bet. Price is a little high and it's on pre-order right now, so I do not know when these will be shipping out or anything like that, but it's not too bad. It's not that bad. Not that bad. So I hope you guys have had a fantastic morning. I hope you all have a fantastic afternoon. And stay tuned for the video coming soon. We'll open this up and we'll give it a look, see what's inside. I mean, we know what's inside, but we will actually be using these in the well house. I've been looking at actually maybe extending the well house and building a lean-to on to the well house to move all of my mining stuff into there and free up my well house for my other stuff, like, you know, my saws and tools and things like that, and maybe expand my workspace just a tad. So I'm looking into doing something like that, and would dedicate that whole side for just mining, and I would be installing some more breakers, more stuff like that. So those are the plans for that here in the future. Need to accumulate some more dollars first, you know, because lumber's kind of expensive. And yeah, soon we will discuss some extra juicy tidbits. The members will see it first, and you're all awesome. So much love, peace out, stay hashing. We'll see y'all in the next one, and yeah, see y'all later, guys. Let me know how the audio sounds. I know it's like right in front of my face, and I see it like pegging out in the red quite a bit, but I'm pretty quiet, so maybe this is actually somewhat better. We'll see you later, guys, and congratulations to anyone that won some Darrow over the weekend's Darrow poker tournament. You all are amazing. Much love, peace out, stay savage, and keep your hash rates up, your watts down low, and we'll see y'all next time.